Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of J Bish ChemNerdContent, here for your quarantine at home school content. Today I have something a little bit different. Today we are actually going to be not doing chemistry, which might come as a shock to some of you. Instead, what we are going to be doing is a random unboxing. Now, what I've got today is a brand new MacBook Pro. Okay, brand new MacBook Pro. Now, this is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. I got the one with the upgraded graphics, 32 gigabytes of RAM, i9 processor, all that jazz. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be, I'll get an overhead shot of this. We're going to open this up. We're going to make it all happen, and we're going to make it just something a little bit different to kind of break up that content that you're so used to seeing and try to make it a bit more interesting for you. All right, let's jump right in. Okay, next section. Sorry about the glare that's coming onto it. So we're gonna start this unboxing right here, right now. First, this is one of my best. This is one of my favorite parts of it. So, Cameron, if you're in the room, you need to leave. I'll give you a couple of seconds. That should be enough time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it now. I need absolute silence. I need you guys to be listening, and you need to be feeling what I am feeling. You ready? Let's do this. So, got a nice little pull tab over here. Let's listen to it. Beautiful. All right. Throw that out the way. Okay, so we're gonna get the rest of this unboxed now. Peel this back. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so if you are not aware, I'm gonna throw that into the bin. Okay, if you're not aware, this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. This has had a few upgrades, so the internals have been upgraded so that it cools a bit quicker. It is a bit more user-friendly. They've upgraded the keyboard so it doesn't have that clicky feel. I will be comparing it to, my old 15.4-inch laptop, okay, as well. So we'll have a side-by-side comparison, just so you can see that. But let's jump straight into this. Now, listen to this. Pop that to the side there, that's good. All right, so we've got the laptop on here. Really cool tab. Because this is an unboxing, we are gonna unbox everything that's in here first, and then we'll go back to the laptop over there, and then we'll make it all happen. And then we'll do the side-by-side comparison. Okay, so what do we get included? Included is a USB-C cable. That is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Documentation. 96-watt charger. Okay, so normally they used to come with 87-watt chargers. The 15.4-inch and the previous versions came with the 87-watt charger. This one comes with a 96-watt charger. Now, I do like to generally purchase the extension cables because I just personally, I find that just having this cable not quite enough, and so I just get the extension cable. I've also got another GAN charger, which is a Kickstarter, but I'll go into that a little bit later. So the GAN charger, it'll be able to charge my laptop, it'll be able to charge my iPad, it'll be able to charge my phone, all at the same time. And that has a 100-watt delivery system as well. So should be good enough for all of it, but we'll move on to that in a second. And I've seen this before. We've got our instruction manual. So if you're used to using a MacBook Pro, you probably don't need to read this. It's got the updated touch bar and physical escape key, as well as upgraded arrow keys. So the inverted T arrow keys that we've got there. So if we go in, we've got some of these, which is just all the technicality stuff. And this is one of the best bits. This is one of the phenomenal bits. Now, if you've got a new MacBook, you'll notice that if you had an old MacBook, the Apple stickers, that's what you come here for. That's what you buy these items for, are these specific Apple stickers. Now, what we notice is that when we look at these ones, instead of just the white ones, we get those beautiful silver, space gray Apple stickers. Now, if we were to open this up, we can open this up, we'll open up towards you, just so you can see it. As we open it up, we've got that piece of paper in the back, so we can take that off and side-by-side comparison. So currently it looks like they are approximately the same size, but if I was to place one on the other, you'll notice that there is a small little gap just around the outside. So screen size is larger. This one, the top one on top is a 15.4 inch. The one on the bottom is a 16-inch MacBook. Hey guys, so that was the unboxing that we had for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it's a little bit of a break on what you normally would be looking at through chemistry. We'll hit it back next time. We're going to move on to the next topic. Thanks guys. Keep safe, keep healthy. Peace.